Good day, everyone. We are the group of Financial Assistance Document Management System. I am Shalami Remedios. I am the project manager.
Hello everyone, my name is Iris Sordas. I am the system analyst.
And I am Rosin Barona. I am the technical writer.
Hello, everyone. I'm Rosalini Mata, System Analyst. Everyone, this is our final teaching generating report. Using MySQL PHP management. For this activities, we use the dynamic financial assistance. We have table files, table assistance, table documents, table office staff. And the first reports will gonna be list of clients in every financial assistance. The tables and attributes will be the table clients, table client ID, table assistant type, and apply date. Ikat, day. Kaya mag-code na ko. Ipalong sana yung kwan.
So the
So the
first
first report is list of client in every financial assistance.
first
First is we're going to
select
select
table
table
client
clients
client
client
ID
ID and table assistance.
the
The
attributes
attributes
of
of
assistant
assistant
type
type. Assistant type, table assistance, assistant,
I
I
apply
apply
date
date,
assistant
assistant
name.
name.
From
From table client,
inner
inner
join
join,
table
table assistance
on
on
table
table
client
client
that
that
client
client
ID
ID is equals to
well
table TBL assistance
that
that assistance that
ID.
ID. So this is the result for the generated report. We choose the list of client in every financial assistance. So as you can see, there is the client ID, assistant type, and assistant name. There are 10 data here. For example, client ID 1, the first client ID, they choose the student type, and the assistant name will be the educational. And the other type of assistance is billing, debt, there are also calamity, and tables and chairs. That is belong to the logistics. So this is our query here. First, we select the table client ID, to table assistance, that assistant type, table assistance, that assistant's name, from, from table client, inner join to table assistance on table client, that ID is equals to table assistance and that assistance ID. And this is the generated reports here. So the second, and we're gonna move to the second report. The second report is to list of documents required every each assistance. Tables and attributes will be table assistance, assistance ID, assistance type, table documents, doc's name. So first, we're gonna select table assistance. The, the assistant ID. Next is table assistance again, and assistance type. Then table documents. The attributes is the document's name. From table assistance. Inner join to table documents. On table assistance, that assistance ID equals to table documents, that docs ID. So this is the generated reports as we choose for the assistant ID, assistant type, assistant I, doc's name. The query, this is our query results here. Select table assistant ID, table assistant type, table documents, docs name, from table assistance, inner join to table documents, on table assistance ID, and table documents to documents ID. So the list of documents required of each assistance. The next report will be Iris Rudas.
So that's a client contact number in every so tables and attributes. Table client that client name, comma, client contact number, table assistance that assistant type. So first is to select select the table client that client name by that client ID so first is to select table client table client that client contact number, table assistance that assist name from table client, inner join table on table client that client ID is equal to table assistant that client ID. So as we can see, this is the generated report. So we have the client ID, client name, client contact number, assist name. So the example is the client ID one, the client name Iris Ritas, the client contact number is one, and the assist name is educational. The second example is client ID, client name Sheila Remedios, the client contact number is this, then assist the assist name is educational, and then the third example is client ID 3, client name Jai Pastrana, and then the client contact number is one, and then assist name is medical. Yun. So the next is list of clients applied for assistance within this tables and attributes. Table client that table ID, I table client that client ID, and then table assistance that assist name apply date. Table. That client ID was so so select table client that ID, comma, client assistance that assist name, comma, table assistance that apply date from table client, inner join table assistance on table client that client ID is equal to table assistant that client ID. So as we can see, this is the generated report. So we have client ID, assist name, apply date. So for example is the client ID is 1, and then the assist name is, and then apply date is 24/07/01. And then the second is education, is client ID number 2, assist name educational again, and then apply date is 2024/07/03. And then the client ID is number 3, assist name medical, apply date is 2024/06/17. So this is the generate generated reports of the list of clients applied for assistance this day.
The next report is the number of client in every assistance. So first, we will input the select select, and next will be the input table assistance. That assistance name, count, table, the client, that client ID. As account, as account,
isa ka carton, puro ka pouch. Tabangan ng kita ng isa,
client,
tagado na ito, kulit mo ng sambal.
as account clients. Next from the assistance, from the table assistance.
Lebih pag-abot ninyo, wala na pagkaon. Hindi na pala si mga alam.
Then we will execute the join table client on table client and client ID
Lebih mais.
equals
Kapit, kita mo na lang.
table clients. Then client
Hindi nga po pag-lasakit.
semicolon. Next, group by the table. Group by the table assistance. Table assistance. The assistance name.
Ako, chikita mo maaga sa inyong maes. Puro kinaminday mo. Tawag mo na hospital, sila magluman. Kumapiti ka na lang. Luman na to.
The semicolon.
Pangiti sa anak yung magprito sa ta. Prito sa. Nakungili ka. Hindi, yan yung pumakumpay. Alimaw mo. Kapali siya mo, yung tao. Hindi na rin niya. Gusto. Tumawag. Sa banisyon. Ito, ginaulan mo yung ginaulan. Sa namin. Ay, ako sa nilutoon na. Lutoon na daw. Isa, ako na. Ah, slice na kamote. Dalagay ko yun. Makikisap. Mga anak. Ay, doon mga aso. Kakawa.
Then we will
Ulit.
run.
Yan ang ibunda ko. Puro pinkuhan. Lasik ko yan.
You will click the go. So this is the result. The assistant's name, count clients, burial, assistant's name burial. There are 20 clients, educational. There are 50 clients, and logistic. There are 10 clients, and medical. There are 20 clients. Cut na to. Six. Next na. So first is we will input a select and table underscore documents
Ikaw ganit, hindi ka na taguli. Tumanang na ka 26.
docs
Ay, lagi ikaw. O, dala sa akin dyan, sinig dyan.
name, comma. Next, table underscore documents that docs underscore name type and comma. Next, table TBL underscore assistance dot assistance name. Assistance type, comma. Next is table assistance underscore assistance dot assistance underscore name and comma. Now we will execute from TBL underscore documents inner join TBL underscore assistance. Next is on TBL underscore documents dot docs underscore ID equals table stable underscore assistance dot assistance ID. code. We'll click the go. So there's an error.
Wait lang.
Assist ID. OMG. Table. Documents. Docs. ID files. So this is the result. Docs name, docs type, and assistance name. So this is our query. Select table documents, doc name, table underscore document, docs type, table assistance type, table assistance name. From table documents, inner join table underscore assistance, and on table documents that docs ID equals table assistance and assistance ID. So the next reporter will be Raisa Ermata to code the next reports.
Today, I discuss about the list all client and types of assistance you receive. First, select. Select table. Table clients. Select table clients. That client name. Teka, napabalik. Client. Then, table, assistance, enter, that, assistance, assistance type, comma, table again, or TBL or table, assistance, that, assistance, name. Enter. Next is, when you select, or I select specifies the columns to retrieve, like client name, table assistance ID, or TBL assistance, that assistance name. Next is from. Enter. TBL underscore client client, then join table or TBL assistance on table again or TBL client, that client ID. client ID is equals to table or TBL assistance, enter that client ID, column. So proceed to go. But before that, from TBL or TBL client to join is from TBL client specifies the TBL or TBL client TBL and assigns in the alias like what kung anong pangalan ang ilagay mo like and then join to join TBL assistance on client ID and joins the TBL or TBL assistance with the TBL client TBL where the client ID fields match and the sign alias or the name to the TBL or TBL assistance TBL. Go. So then run. Then dito makikita natin like client name si John Doe. Makita dito na assistance ID 1 and the assistance name like scholarship. Then Jen Smith assistant ID 2 hospital bill aid. Mike Johnson number 3 assistant ID calamity and Emily Davis or Davis medical aid and David Brown logistic. Second is next I show which natin. Next is show which staff members are handling with which assistance cases. First, select space table office staff. Then that staff name comma and table again or TBL assistance that assistance ID assistance ID assistance text that assistance type comma assistance type ay big letter assistance type then comma TBL again underscore assistance hanapin sa okay then dot assistance name hanapin si assistance name so enter select so when you select the table office table underscore office underscore staff that staff name and then table underscore assistance that assistance underscore type and TBL assistance that assistance type assistance underscore type. So the underscore the TBL office staff's assistance we include assistance type and from sorry we select na to select again we select the table office and specifies the columns to retrieve like staff name from TBL office staff and assistance type and assistance name from the TBL assistance. Okay, so let's proceed to from TBL or TBL underscore office staff enter space join then TBL again or TBL assistance on enter space TBL or table underscore office staffs, enter, that staff ID, enter again, is equals to, it equals to underscore assistance again, assistance, assistance, that, and then staff ID, staff ID, semicolon. Then, from TBL's office staff, specifies the table, office staff, and then join the table or TBL assistants to staff ID, table assistant to staff ID. Join the table assistants table with the table office with the table assistant staff ID, where the staff ID failed match, o magka-match. So, go. Then, dito makikita natin ang staff name, assistance type, as assistance type, assistance name. So,
So those are the generated reports that we have in our financial assistance that, that we create in this database for HP My Admin in this SQL. First is list of client and every financial assistance. Next report is list of documents required every each assistance. Third is list of client contact number and every assistance. List of clients applied for assistance within this day. Then next is list of all clients, the type of assistance they have received. List to show which staff member and handling which assistance case. Then next is the list of documents associated with each type of assistance. Then last is the number of clients and every assistant. So those generated reports are the result of our financial assistance database we create. This table client, table assistance, table documents, and the office staff. That's all. Thank